Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add links to your TikTok bio. So for this, what you need to do is open your TikTok application. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And when you are here, click on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for this settings and privacy. Now tap on this first option account, and now you have to tap on this switch to business account. Tap on this next again. As you can see, when you are on this page, you have to choose a category. So I'm just going to choose any category here like finance and investing. Now tap on this next again, and now you can add your email address or you can skip this part. Tap on skip, and as you can see, profile completed. So you have to tap on this profile completed, create video now, so maybe later. Tap on it, and as you can see, you are all set. And now we can go and add a website to our TikTok bio. For this, go to edit profile, and as you can see this option, website. So you just have to tap on this website, and as you can see, this feature is only available for registered business accounts. And you can tap on this get started and register yourself, and after registering you can simply paste your Amazon link or any website link here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.